happened? Ayan, okay. As you can see, what happened to the fire? Ano nangyari sa fire? Okay, nag-blow. So our fire, no? Namatay siya, okay? So we have 13 candles here. Alright, okay. And as you can see, na-extinguish yung fire natin. But why? Because we spilled, of course, carbon dioxide, right? So in real life, guys, carbon dioxide gas, maraming properties yan. And one of them is that carbon dioxide gas is a dense gas or a heavy gas. So one of the properties of carbon dioxide is that carbon dioxide gas is a heavy gas. That's why our carbon dioxide here, no, nagsisettle lang siya inside our pitcher. So when I tilted the pitcher,